Okay, we'll take off the oil filler cap. That way it'll drain faster. Alright, let's go underneath. Okay, this one's a 14 millimeter. Put the bucket there. There she goes. Let that drain out and do the oil filter next. Okay, there's the oil filter. Let's see if I can get it off with my hands. Yep. Okay. I already got it loose. You turn it, get a bucket under here. There she goes. This is the first time doing an oil change on this car, and I'm glad that was only hand tight because I don't have a wrench for that size filter. It's a small one. I'm going to have to buy one of them. I got a small wrench, but it's not quite that size. Let's take it out the rest of the way. Okay. And they had a Valvoline on it. I'm going to put a Fram. Thinking about it. I haven't gotten it yet. I'm either going to put an Ultra or a Titanium. We'll see. I got to go to the parts store and get one. Okay, so I'll be right back. Okay, this is what we're going to be putting in today. Fram Titanium oil filter. And this Pennzoil Platinum full synthetic 5W30. Just want to put a little bit of oil. Just a little oil on here so it seals nice. Okay, let's go underneath and put the plug on and put this little baby on. Okay, what I like to do is wipe it dry, the rag. And you have to check your old filter, make sure that the seal came off with it. You know, make sure this seal right here came off with the old filter. Otherwise you'll have a big leak. Okay, we'll take this up there. And the good thing about these filters, they got that coating on it, so you can get these nice and hand tight. Okay, that should be good. Okay, let's go to the drain plug. I'll just wipe this up. Put the bolt on. Okay, this is supposed to be torqued to 25 foot-pounds. Normally I just snug it tight and it's good, but I'll use a torque wrench. That's it. Okay, she's done under here. Let's go up top and put some oil in her. Okay, this takes 4.3 quarts of oil. And I like to shake this up. Sometimes the additives fall to the bottom. So it takes 4.3 quarts. I'll put about four, and then I'll let her off these ramps. Then I'll check the dipstick. Okay, that's about 4 quarts. Okay, I take her down the ramps and check her out. Okay, there's no leaks underneath. She's been sitting for about 5 minutes. See what the dipstick says. It's maybe a little bit overfilled, but barely. That's pretty much on the mark. Alright, it's good. Okay, that's all there is to it. Hey, if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and hit that bell. Thanks for watching, and take care.